Hello there, does your Nissan key fob have a flat battery? If so, dry those tears and put away the comfort food. It's easy to change the battery and I'm going to show you how. Welcome to CarSpyTV, where we discuss buying, driving, maintaining and selling cars because it's interesting. Okay, let's use this particular Nissan key fob as an example because it's a popular type that fits a wide range of cars. Now, even if your fob looks a bit different, stay tuned as there are certain principles that apply generically. As you can see, there's a screw on the back of the Nissan key fob. This typically comes out easily, but not always. Take particular care if it's tight. If you damage a screw head, it might never come out. Furthermore, the key fob has a line around the edge and that's where it splits. Pry it open with this small, flat-headed screwdriver, but don't just shove it anywhere. On the corner of the key fob, the line gets wider so you can get your screwdriver in easily. Start prying there. Okay, the battery is now visible, so pry it out with a flat screwdriver. You can now see a picture that shows negative terminal faces up. Remember that when you fit the new battery. Furthermore, there's a series of letters and numbers on the key fob that says what type of battery is required. This one's a CR2016. Now, it's best to get this information from the key fob itself or perhaps from the car's manual rather than from the existing battery. Why? Because the existing battery might not be the correct battery. I found the wrong one on multiple occasions. The next stage is to reverse what you've already done. So, push the new battery into position, taking care to put it the right way up. Now close the key fob. And finally, replace the screw. There are a couple of final points to consider. In my experience, it's best to buy a high quality, big brand battery rather than the cheap equivalent. I've had cheap batteries that were dead on the day of purchase. Secondly, some key fobs have to be reprogrammed once their batteries have been replaced. They don't work otherwise. Now, I've never had this problem with this particular type of Nissan key fob, but it's something to bear in mind. This is your opportunity to have your say by the comment section of this video. So let me know, have you successfully changed the battery in your key fob? Was it easy? While you're commenting, don't forget to click like on this video, that helps me out, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is free and it makes it easier to find my other videos. Right, that's all for now. I'm off to put my tools away.